What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a GMC Acadia open and started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2017 GMC Acadia in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So in this scenario, the vehicle's locked and our key fob's dead. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now we're going to use this emergency key to remove this cap on the driver's door. So taking a closer look at the driver's door handle, and if we take a look at this cap right here that I pointed out in the previous shot, and we look under it, we see there's this little notch right here. So what I'm going to do is take this hand and I'm going to pull the door handle out like that. Then I'm going to take the emergency key and I'm going to push it straight up in that notch. And while I'm pushing straight up, I'm just going to kind of wiggle it and it'll start to come loose and then it'll pull off like that. Now I'm going to take my emergency key and turn counterclockwise or to the left to unlock the vehicle. Okay, so now we have our door unlocked. And as soon as we open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to turn the alarm off and prevent it from getting louder is we need to start the vehicle. How we're going to start the vehicle with a dead key fob is we're going to get in and we're going to place the key fob in the transmitter pocket that's located in the center console. And then we'll be able to start the vehicle as normal. Okay? So let's give it a shot. So get in, open the center console. The transmitter pocket's like that, and now we'll be able to start the vehicle as normal. And if you don't quite get to it in time, you may have heard right at the end there, it was about to get louder. But as soon as you start the vehicle, it will turn the alarm off. And just to take another look at how that key fob's sitting in there, just sitting in there like that. So once it's started, you'll be able to drive it as normal. And the last thing we'll take a look at is how to get that cap back on the driver's door. So this cap will go back on here with this tab closer to the door handle. And what we need to do is start this side on first. So I'm going to pull the door handle out a little bit and then I'm going to start this side on first. I'm going to kind of hook it on. So I'm going to come over here and just kind of hook that right side on. And once I feel it hook on, press it on the rest of the way. And then the last thing, make sure you remember to put your emergency key back in your key fob, just so you don't lose it. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.